Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, guys. How are you guys doing? How was your night? It's just a quick, very short message because I am getting ready to go work. How are you guys doing? I just come across my sister, Precious Meg. My darling, good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. I want you to drop one small message for you to my lovely sister, Precious Meg. Precious Meg, I see your video. I was your video yesterday in YouTube, although I came late. You almost finish before I come there, so I can't watch her from the beginning again. My darling sister, I little one. Area no ya babua, negeria makino mato taji. Nege do alai. Okay? Only we no soon. Imae we if you Imae go or him when I'm away, I don't even know. Don't say wagahi. No. Okay? Imae get woman with anywhere. Precious Meg, your one. No, because what's the man where they walk back? I did ready, my darling. Good morning. Really? You the Chris. You say I be like you will not get future. I want me. We're not be. I don't imagine when I will be, and I will not be. I will be now. Okay. I'm ready because my husband want to go drop me this morning, so now I make him. Normally I don't. By 6:30 I don't come down go take my bus. Why I don't go work? Do you think I'm lazy ass like you? Good morning, Kate. Good morning. I am ready. Around there, it's just going to be a short, very short, maybe maximum 20 minutes. Good morning. Yes, okay. How are you doing? How's my baby? So now what happened be that one, my darling sister. Now suddenly now she told say, Precious Meg, or where you have to wait video to come where. I even day all those the other that side me, I even they work that one, you know, when you are doing something where very stressing you, or maybe don't move with a baby, no, you understand? Because what if this one you work with in or where or do you know those now? I just even though they don't even pass are not true, but I just put some to make example so that make everybody way in sort me 2018 they remember waiting they do because it no concern me concern them. And I remember say I not do there anything. Now make me your use Precious Meg go you know way Precious Meg Kenya. Yeah we video camera. Good morning my daddy. Oh yeah use you as you use you as a reference you understand. So now I don't know getting your boom de we dear. Facebook you boom de you to live video camera. Now I trigger everything my daddy. I don't feel just carry your matter come here and go to tell you very just say that's how you do this one, that's how you do this one. My way they walk back. My way maybe they must see me. My own will dog back. You understand? So they be very only know we were hating weapon very only. But we boo no we say when he ha. Near we boo from the beginning. Way Precious Meg go why I go let oh yeah report we my live video presenter here. No. Oh my God, video alleru no ya wa nigga do like bo. You understand? We are still going to talk about friendship. How to make friendship. Some people me I go fit those friendship. Me wa ho. But yeah, it's with friendship for 20 years. And why? Now wisdom. That person they make friendship. Wisdom. Okay? Wisdom and respect. Give your partner what you with her they do the friend. Give her respect. Okay? Give her respect. She go still give you. Don't be saying maybe you let your just the expect, maybe your friend just they please you. But you not please yourself. You couldn't toss a back here. Or kono ba erikuyato. I said they talk I make girlfriend for 20 years, 25 years. All my childhood for Nigeria. Till today we still they communicate. Like what happened yesterday. I know they quit they enter my page inbox. I just go there because so I have a fake account somebody message You know, okay, message in already about 10. Let me just go to my inbox and check. That was last night, almost 12 o'clock. Especially the day we are not go work. I know they quit sleep. Yesterday I sleep around 2 because of my childhood friend when I see for Facebook. This lady, when I see so, I mean we can go to the same primary school. We are 3 in number. She, the other one, we not consider the other one again. I hope anywhere where she did make her cover her. Now she they sit down for the same place. We they go together. My sick bear in my honey. My wakoko ba here. Also nobody give a UK dollar song when I was in clip 97. So you see the one that consists of a Ghana that kind 99 or 98. I can see her. See my friend do. She can see me. We still remember ourselves. Okay? But now the friendship is still continue for Torino. After everything, me come out gospel 2002. I can't live there. They can't stay cool. You know, say I brought something now. Everybody will go in your different way. You understand? She get document that time. She go another way. Me not get document. I come out because of police problem. Yesterday when I go my inbox, I see message. Somebody written to me. Whether I remember, I look like person wishing no childhood friend. And already me don't just see last week I just see the video where they do their mama burial for YouTube. Now your brother me say if you contain no say na their party. I could say as I want to get this girl now. YouTube we get message ki I can't miss her way you know she was calm and mama yaya lele here you know but mama go for one day. Childhood friend oh again man I hear from primary school from ABC to primary 1 primary 2 we dey almost the same circle you know when I can't see I can't write am back immediately I can't shout so me with one of my goddaughter they like can see Jimmy and I just dey tell my goddaughter about this my girlfriend matter last week say I see her for YouTube and none else I take get her if Facebook now way beg most of the contact where I lost, now I see this girl, this my lady. I come message her back immediately. I go add her for my Facebook. She reply me immediately. Not even she second. She bring her number come for me. I carry my number. I give her. We talk from 12:30 yesterday. Talk to go reach 2 o'clock. Okay, that is what they call friendship. All right. I never go even meet any live video presenter. Me, I go, they call them, they go. If you are kind of person, you always call live video presenter. Believe me, you will never escape trouble. You will put yourself trouble one after the other because it's not nice. So I don't understand you where they betray friend. You go call expert, say your friend where you betrayed. Then she still they open it, they embrace you. I am not the kind of friend like that. No. In case you want to come and make friend with me, just have that one in your mind. Okay? If you come meet me as a friend, anything me and you talk, it go remain with me. Even my mama may tie always say with me. You make party ya have me but only me later on money on way. Except in my way here business. If you and the one knock by him. Okay? Me I know they do like that. But maybe waiting me and you talk. If you not remain secret, you come out, go spoil my head, or you go talk my own. Again, no the guy like no get time me taking outside. I cannot hold it because of my health empire. No, when you betrayed me first, you don't even keep my secret. Even you lie on me, I never come to you one day gossip, Madam Monica to you. Nothing like that. It may work better. My mama now make problem. You call me as a friend. If you talk about that person, that one a different matter. Okay, that one a different. That one a different matter. You understand? That one a different matter. But say me and you not talk about person. My mom went on money. Yet him we la video presenter the gossip we come away ro pa. My name na senior money go me see me odo mo pa ni oda for me. Ibe go ma senior go ma. So ibe get have personal hatred in way. Awa except if you see the live video, maybe I want to watch the video, a video the funny, what we tell, we might video no matter all those things. Okay, not normal. We're going to talk about that video. We are not going to talk about the person because I don't even know the person. Mala wa, we get it and we don't secret on what to mawe. because my mom wani mala wani wabi I can't even wani ya he live here. So my darling, so you said yesterday, if you are a friend, somebody tell you something, even though problem day, you go keep on. You lie. You were just the enter middle of everybody they go. They scatter everybody they go. You go come convince me now. Say, wawana bakui. Even one time war we koi. We no man set you hold them up, but not set ya abama or one we cry your shoulder. Oh, I feel now me even mature pass. Because now you carry Monica matter can't tell me, but I don't meet Monica one day or tell her. If you carry a always they tell you say, forget about that. You know me. You know me. If you like person, you like her. I cannot like you because what? Because of what I want to collect from you. No, I'm not that type. You not like it when they work. I don't care you say me. I go where you need do one me. Only no David no can me. It will collect. It will I expect something in return. I don't do that. I don't do my friendship like that. And Jonas any live video presenter because of the viewers over my dead body. I will not do that. I know where to go and look for viewers because I will present another viewers. All of them start from somewhere. They started from somewhere. And you go insult bully. So he did not go for my no. He don't go for my not about the Jonah Yami viewer. It's sort of quality, but I'm not about the Jonah Yami viewer. It's sort of quality. Make I met it to expect it. We know your boy at me, we know your stress at me. Or man, I get many do ambo. My dear, I don't do that. I don't do that. All right? I am not the kind of person like that. You will be no woman you mess on a beno. You can now move, for example, where Uga your boy now no woman said to your body me. Una also know what they were. Yare pes una mo bore do adame story igagwa le mi no ma o ya mo gogo ure nu dogun me gogo agbo ma ba e do that matter ye ko ye po ipa I go just leave you. That's why they do my thing. I don't mature reach make I understand what it be friendship. Okay, so that is it, my darling precious Meg. O market do o uke do win do a salo gele igele wa tebe we ma bitterness. Yes, okay, because that time, again, emotionally, mega again, or my heke, or baby had day, or you like it threatening, you know, when you are just try to face one direction, another person will just bring another problem, try to use it to threaten you or something like that. I hate threat. You like it? You understand? Because if now, oh, you said, by your tongue, or one moment, that was what's trigger. Something about precious Meg, my people. Okay, I don't even know say she no ask her. You know her, now your friend or where friend in you. Okay, maybe a sit your payan koje. In our way, sit your payan koje and all that. All those things. Maybe you are a canamio. We may you not marry pejon. If I have a friend in repejon, Etty and Minia will go so mammy egg for 2 weeks in Malala City. Mammy egg baby, I guess also giddy. I want to get pan or win or do lawa, a big war. So, if I saw the Emana, I was too busy. If I saw no king when I roll about high school. Why you so about 10 o'clock or 10:30 was like you won't call a bed. Or we are not getting some back, but we are making a in of Tunu City. Me, you understand? Do not go free time like that. You understand? So, my darling, precious Meg, I never hate you. I not carry your matter, go meet Princess Viejo. I not carry your matter, go meet her. Now she call me, come they tell me, say, you they call live video, can't do your own problem again. Now I say, no, wahala. I they wait you, this guy back or even no here boy, or trigger your matter. But now, since we're making you, we give me, and what give who we give away a while, me what a mutia. Okay? In a one mutia. And no, the first in the cat, and I know the even yave with yes, me marry easy. And I was here, baby, on it. You know, you see, vest me. Or have you no webe owe? Webe okpa, a sagakpa my fo, or one of the time with baby musagabe. You understand? How will you feel? Only we know soon. But I was really surprised where me when nobody are threatening me. Where do I have audio telling me where or what don't want to say or that. I never said I'm going to summon you in any way. No. Unu ababe ya ta because over the woman go mahama go worry people give me. Maybe can make me a people give no unu me ata bo. You know audio no worry give me where when I tell you where if I can't talk your matter, you go come someone where you people give me. Thank God to give me what you understand. In a way, me a problem here all. Me na be kweta me where no where give me ya ginyani ke. Me ga le bebo umana do hu eni me ri du go be ri give me me ahoni but where mu dia ho give me come e give me adota me mamba wo ho you know that is it. Everybody have a bad side, everybody have past tense. Normal, not for everybody. Me, I get my whole past. You get your whole past. The other one get your whole past. If not be the message where I receive, I don't feel carry a content to threaten you. Now your life, I wait that to get better running. But what thing I not like say I go there my house, somebody come to threaten me. I hate threat equate our war. Even one I mean, and one women will go free. Okay, that is it. A platform of one representer already money kuna one women again and one. Even interest. So a video will not there. Thank you, my darling sister. It's okay. Get that dog move on really only. Understand? Or on have a man that dog one where the kind of person, but it's a pity where you want not a platform we are here, you want to be big, you want to betray different, you want to do a lot of tolerate nonsense in it. So if you're a kind of person where a bomb working, probably one get the picture, ni na one no quino, or say shit yet it tolerate with anybody, or might be possible. We make my wedding and we live different type of life. Okay, I'm just a normal person. Yeah, you call, but I'm not a gra person. No. Or see, I go and you got sense of betrayal and a friendship. I'm done with you. That is me. And we expect to go wait. Tell me, many time we go where you who when you keep up work. I want not go here. Me, I say get wrong again. I want not go here. Okay, I have vein, and there's a vein in here. Again, or running away. You understand? If I tell you anything about anybody, my way now may be misunderstanding with Facebook. Yes, you can go and tell the person. I don't care. I don't give a shit. You can go and tell the person. I agree. Yes, I did. If you like to record me, it's no problem. That is it. So I am done with all those things. My darling sister, Precious Meg, it's okay. I love you as a sister. I like you as a sister. Before I never have any problem with you. You understand? Just that where you understand? So my lovely people, so if I have time, we're going to talk about how to do relationship. They don't say some people don't know what is called friendship. Some people play with people's feelings. Okay? You're all human. Even when I take expect. No, I will take it that nonsense. For me, I don't take nonsense. That is it. So, Precious Meg, my sister, anything not do time aware about me, we target beway. Yes, it's truth. It must see. Don't really obey by I don't know. We must see only but personal issue give me all the time away. She don't know anything about me. Other from my way, we gossip with anybody. You gossip with anybody. You gossip with anybody. Even my mom, my misunderstanding. I don't gossip with anybody because when you born worry me. Or get behind and maybe they will maybe worry okay no ya be you okay maybe she's or they told my family ni on your back and met it get behind it so she don't have anything bad to talk about me. That is it. So my lovely people, I love you guys. Maybe if I'm not here in the evening or tomorrow, if I'm a day of tomorrow, we will talk about how to do friendship nikunato. Okay, we are going to be talking about it. Is a baby respect. Ekonozieme ayati kukimi wa teme mame security we see with me ibe tabot ya togi me wa togo me ogwe ya ita ya bie ya kwa na so it be. So one of my lovely people, peace. I'll get back to you guys. Love you. I'm going to look for my day job. Bye.